Okay, we're here at the Eleet Cryogenics booth for the largest GAWDA Gives Back contribution of the event. Very special. Thank you so much for it. Gary, owner of Eleet Cryogenics, give us a rundown. Why do you do this?
Well, I think it's a great organization. I mean, this particular industry has supplied provided for our family very well over the years, and it's just a way for us to give back and show our appreciation.
Very cool. One of the winners, Paul Diller from Mark III, he's going to be contributing his chunk to the Maui Strong Fund. Paul, thank you so much for doing it. Do you have a few words for the Maui Strong Fund?
Well, it's been a lot of tough times for the folks here, and anything we can do to help, and it's just a good way for GAWDA to give back to the communities that we come in and invade Hawaii here for a little while, and it's a good way to leave a positive mark.
It's awesome. And the other winner of the tanks from Complete Welder Supply, it's Mike Kowalski. Mike, congratulations on the win, and you want to say anything about the GAWDA Gives Back?
Well, it's a good organization, and this is one way to give back to the community, which we appreciate, and we need a tank. So thank you.
All right, that's very good. It's a win-win for everybody. Thank you, everybody who contributed. It's very great to be around such great people like you, and that's it. Thank you, and see you at the presentation.